Tell me your job.
I'm a co-founder and chief financial officer at Sostengo. So we're an InsurTech that innovate insurance in Latin America, especially in Central America. 90% of people over there don't have an insurance. So we want to bring this economic resilience, the ability to be protected in case of a loss event to Central America and the region.
Okay, so InsurTech.
We say we're a tech company, but we're operating in the insurance industry. So there's a lot of space to innovate, whether it's from the pricing, whether it's how you sell insurance, how easy it is to notify about a claim when you have an accident and so on. So there's a lot of opportunity in the industry that we're dedicating ourselves to innovate.
And your job in the InsurTech company is?
So I'm a co-founder. We started business with my founder. Two-founder, one is actually from the region. He has been living here in Switzerland a long time. The idea came up about 2 years ago. I'm focusing on the insurance side and the financial parts of the company.
That sounds like a lot of responsibility.
I think when you build a business, there's a key challenge to bring new products on the market, build up the companies, understand where you make errors, adjust. That's critical. Many people don't have an insurance, so educating the market, why is an insurance, how it can help you.
Tell me a little bit about your responsibilities as a CFO.
First part is how do you get money? Getting all the funding necessary to be able to operate, to create new products. That's a key part, the whole financial model, business model, investor relations, and then the day-to-day operation. The closing and insurance business, you have monthly closings. We're regulated, so you need to make sure that your closings are correct. And then obviously focusing on the growth, understanding, supporting the business and thinking how can we grow the company, understanding what the actions are that we're doing and adjusting based on financial numbers in the end.
Tell me a little bit more about the tech side of things, because we all know what insurance means, but what does your company bring to the market on the tech side?
The first thing we wanted to bring is accessibility. Accessibility in terms of price, but as well how you purchase insurance. So it's all on an app. You can buy an insurance within 5 minutes. We're focusing right now on car and motorcycle insurance and delivery. The whole inspection, topics of fraud and so on, that can be solved actually digitally, where you take a photo of the car before you insure. And then the personalization of the insurance product, because accessibility as well as price. So we created a price engine digitally where you can actually adjust your product based on what you actually need. That can lower the price significantly. And the third part that we're doing is the first notification of loss. So when you have an accident, the whole sort of claim reporting, you can do it digitally within 5 to 10 minutes.
So it's a very kind of flexible, fast-moving, data-based solution.
The key part in insurance is data, having the database as well to adjust the pricing, making it easy for the client.
Tell me, what do you love about the job?
It's first of all why we're doing it, right? So we want to bring this economic resilience to the region, so that itself, that mission that we have, that motivates me daily. Apart from that, and it sounds a bit cliche, but in a startup, when you're in that growth stage, every day is different. There's different challenges. Sometimes the day itself throws at you new challenges, things that you need to react to. So it's that balance between having a smooth operation, being able to react as well to a new situation, but as well to focus and dedicate your time into how do we innovate, how do we bring out the next new thing.
How did you end up starting this company?
I've worked pretty much my life in consulting, so management consulting, mostly actually in the insurance industry, so that's where a lot of the background came from. Not very much in the startup scene at all. My other co-founder, he comes from the startup, so he's one that brought all the Lime, the micromobility scooters here to Europe, and he was living here in Switzerland. He's like, hey Danny, you're in the insurance business, why not going on a digital insurance in Central America? He's from there, and that's where we started thinking about how we can make this happen. We're living in El Salvador right now. That's where we started, small country. In Central America, we started now expanding to Guatemala, and we're preparing Mexico.
What does your day-to-day look like?
I would say I'm an early bird. I love being in a calm environment, going through my emails. Usually then it's a couple of team meetings I have, whether it's with the finance team, the insurance team. We're raising capital. We're in the seed round, so we have a couple of calls with investors. And usually in the afternoon, sometimes can be as well calls with the insurance carrier, especially now we're entering a new market, Mexico. So we're landing on product, pricing and so on.
Sounds like a lot of variety in the day. Variety is the spice of life.
Has a good spice to it, that's for sure.
Good. Can you kind of give a salary range of what you can be earning a year or a month in this type of job?
In a startup, you do earn a fraction of what you usually earn. The big benefit then obviously is later down the road. It comes with the equity, right? When the valuation of the company goes up, goal of us is to sell the company, maybe 4 or 5 years down the road now. We've been operating 2 years. So that's sort of where the bigger paycheck comes in. To be fully transparent, in Central America, we adjusted obviously our salary. It's around the 50K range right now for us on a director level, CX level, but the big part is where it comes down the road, right?
Right. What is your life advice for the younger generation?
Go out there, don't be scared to try out new things, but make sure you have the right backpack, the right tools with you, especially everyone out there that wants to start their own business. Go for it. I think there's never the right decision or the right playbook to say this is how it needs to be done. Usually it's all about the execution, and obviously if you have the right backpack, the right tools, the execution will be easier. It will help you in the execution. It will be always a battle starting a business, regardless of what it is, but don't be scared. Do it out there and have fun doing it.